honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm gonna do a makeup Monday on a Tuesday. So I'm trying to do a 5-minute makeup look. I got a timer. I think I'm supposed to turn it this way and then set it back. I got it set for 5 minutes. See, it's on the 5. Okay. All right. I'm gonna start with the important stuff first. I'm using my Soft Focus finishing powder. I'm gonna look presentable, hopefully. No concealer, none of that. Doing the important stuff first because me and Walter got to go somewhere. Let me get up in this hairline. Okay. Okay. I don't have a mask on. You know what? I was out yesterday. Me and Walter had to be somewhere early. And one of my honeys, this lady came over to me and she did like this. I know you. And I figured it's either somebody from a church I went to or YouTube. She knew me from YouTube. She knew MzBrazell. And so we sat there and chatted for a few minutes. She was talking about she made greens and ham hocks or something in her Instant Pot. And she knows all about my wings and using mustard. Try not to look at that, but it's hard. Need to do the eyebrows because I'm going to have a mask on. Oh, I want to do a shout out for her. Her name is Chi-Town Brown Girl. Yeah, Chi-Town, that's Chicago, Brown Girl. I hope I look presentable. Just putting on one lip stain. And I don't know how she knew me because I had my mask on. And I pulled my mask up high, y'all. Okay, I'm going to do the eyebrows. I put no wax on them today. As good as she gets. That's what else? It's eyelashes. I got this Beauty for Real mascara. And I don't have no mirror in here. No eyeliner, because it takes too long. And I can't see what I'm doing with this. Okay, that's gonna have to do. I think that's it. I got time for, I got half a minute. Let me put some little smokiness on the corner of my eye. I'm using this brow powder. I don't have no eyeshadow in here. That didn't do it. Okay, I think I look presentable. Still time on here. So I did it in 4 minutes, 37 seconds. That's good enough to put a mask on half my face and go out. But anyway, this is my Makeup Monday on a Tuesday. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. It still didn't beep. It's supposed to ding. Yay, I did it in less than 5 minutes. I think I look halfway decent. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye.